Today, as one unified community and a generation of unity, partners for the new Philippines,
We celebrate our journey, our achievements, and our dreams.
a blissful morning to our administrators, faculty and staff, parents and guardians, our fellow graduating students, and distinguished guests. I am JCP Jacobo, and I am deeply honored to be one of the message bearers on this day. We are gathered here to recognize and rejoice in the fruits of our labor and commitment. Our journey as sixth graders has been filled with unforgettable moments, laughter, high spirits, and experiences that have prepared us for the future.
I am Mary Claire Q. Tabanyar. Today, we stand together at a milestone that marks not only the end of a cherished chapter, but also the beginning of new possibilities. As we celebrate, we carry forward the spirit of unity that defines us as partners for a renewed nation.
I would like to congratulate every one of us for the courage, persistence, and passion that brought us here. Despite our challenges, we have persevered and grown stronger. I encourage you all to follow your heart, make a difference, and let the values we have embraced guide us into the future.
Our journey as students is like a story written over time. Each chapter tells the tale of who we were, who we are, and who we will become. With days filled with both joy and lessons, we learned that unity and shared experiences make us resilient. As our class motto says, one for all for one. Our togetherness is the key to our success.
We all have the dream to become an inspiration to our peers and to contribute to a brighter future. With passion and dedication, let's give our all in pursuing that dream. I encourage all of us to face obstacles with courage, to seek support when needed, and to never lose sight of our vision. Let our experiences and lessons fuel our growth and remind us why we began.
As we continue our individual paths, let us remember that every choice and challenge is an opportunity to build upon the lessons we have learned. Our education has given us knowledge and instilled values that prepare us to face the future with both honor and pride. Together, we are ready to be the change for our country.
My dear classmates and friends, give yourselves a well-deserved pat on the back for all that you have accomplished. Today is unforgettable because we celebrate not just our achievements, but our collective enthusiasm and hard work. Remember to keep a growth mindset, never give up on your dreams, and believe in yourself. I leave you with Winston Churchill's inspiring words. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. My deepest gratitude goes to my parents, teachers, administrators, and friends for their unwavering support.
As we close this important chapter, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our Almighty God for watching over us, and to our dedicated teachers for guiding us. To our parents, thank you for your strength and wisdom. To my fellow graduates, I hope that the lessons and values we have embraced are etched in both our minds and our hearts. Let us remember John Maxwell's words. Success is a continuing thing. It is growth and development. It is achieving one thing and using that as a stepping stone to achieve something else.
United as a generation of unity,
Partners for the new Philippines,
we step forward into the future together, knowing that our best is yet to come.